Muffins, blueberry, morning glory muffins, fruit explosion, this is bacon, and this is pork sausage. Danishes. This is Greek yogurt. Yogurts. All the cereals. I don't know what this is. Oatmeal. Some oatmeal. Nice. Potatoes, those things. Oh, cinnamon French toast. Oh, wow. And you got your waffles. Oh, syrup and strawberry topping. And that ends the tour. Oh, no, it doesn't. You can make your own toast in there. We got the different toasts here, and the bagels, and the different jams, raspberry marmalade, and strawberry. More toast. This is beautiful. This is where we're eating. So nice. Kitchen back in there.
We're going to be back to my little my massage therapist.
Day 2, and we're going to the Bird Kingdom here in Niagara Falls, so that should be interesting. So come and join me. Hopefully, I hope you can hear me. This is the busy bus. Back on the bus again. That's where we're going, the Bird Kingdom. So we're here at the Bird Kingdom, right here. Awesome.
Alrighty, so we're going to start our tour in a small bird aviary. In our free flight aviaries, birds will not land on you or let you pick them up and pet them. We can't really keep really friendly animals in this area because we would have to have it supervised all the time, and it's not. That would take a lot of payroll hours. So we purposely house birds in here that aren't so friendly. They will fly close to you, but they won't let you pet them or pick them up. We do have birds in here from all over the world, and we do have a sign here. I always suggest to people if you, and believe it or not, these birds came to us from a humane society in Ontario. And they were kind of confiscated from a farm where they weren't being treated the best. And because these type of birds are often used for hunting or for food, these are supposedly male zebra finches, but one of them is going to be a female. Who knows? We've got, who's this one? The turquoise parakeet. These ones I found, they were in a pet store, and I thought they're too pretty to be.
Isn't this amazing? This is so cool. Woo. Isn't it so awesome? We're here at the bird kingdom. So cool. This ice cream. Look at this ice cream. Right again. Awesome. So this is where you can take your picture here. The Devils, Niagara Falls.
Okay,
Isn't that awesome?
You're welcome.
That is so cool.
And baby comes with a little bit of baggage. He loves to interact with the public, but he doesn't like the public to be able to touch him or get too close. We've tried it in our free flight aviary, and we've tried working with that includes the rainbow color, and then the eastern rosellas on the branches there. We've got our
So we are now just going to do some shopping and then we'll be going for lunch. So we're in. Okay. Some of these. What's this place called? Just this Christmas. Theater. We're going to go see the Christmas Carol today, and tomorrow we'll see the. There we go. The Royal. It's the Royal Theater. Royal George, yes. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this hat store. Look at that. Oh, sorry, the glare. Isn't that pretty? What's in there? Look at this. This hat here is $400. Oh gosh, look at these. Wow. They're beautiful. Look at that one up there. Look at this one. You have to turn this on. Let's see if I can put this on.
Yeah, I can take you to the front. Oh, okay. Maybe that's why we're not
Here I am. Look at that. Gosh, this is the $400 hat. Well, hello, sir. How are you? This is George Bernard Shaw. right up close to the edge of the Niagara Falls, and this is the Canadian side. Unreal. And it's cold out tonight. And that's where we ate. It's called the Table Rock. So this concludes day 2 of my little adventure from Niagara Falls here in Canada. I hope you enjoyed. I know I wasn't able to show you all our day. We did get to go see the Christmas Carol, and it was fabulous. They did a really awesome job. They had like puppets in it as well, and it was really good. If you get a chance to see it, you should go see it. So we saw that today, and we were able to do some shopping, but I didn't pick up anything. I didn't see anything what I was looking for, but they had some really nice shops. That's at Niagara on the Lake. And what else? We went to the Bird Kingdom. I showed you some of that, so that was neat and different. So all in all, a good day 2 here in Niagara Falls, and I hope you'll join me for day 3 tomorrow. We're going to be heading back home, but we also have some things beforehand that we're going to be doing. So I hope you'll join me, and I hope you're all doing well, and thank you so much. Remember to believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo, my darlings. Thank you. Toodles.